Waverley's reading the newspaper, aren't you, Wave? Now, just take a close look at that newspaper. She can read sideways, Waverley. Waverley's got her own newspaper. But you got yourself out of the box, didn't you, darling? I don't know, because you're good.
But why she was on the floor, I don't know. You want to sing something?
Waverley's on the stage. Are you going to dance, Wave?
How about lollipop, lollipop, lolly, lollipop? Can you dance to that?
Come on, Wave, let's have a dance.
Lolly, lolly. The stage is yours, Waverley. Come on, dance.
All right, let's go then.
Sing. Lollipop, lollipop, lolly, lollipop.
Good job. There's no music, darling. We can't find any music.
Sing, so that doesn't help.
What music do you want, darling? Shake your booty.
Shake your booty.
Okay, come on then, let's go.
Don't you think? What? What's making you hot?
Oh, here's Waverley. In the rain. In the hot tub. Say hi, Aunt Karen.
Hi.
Where's Waverley? I can't see her. Can you bring your head up so I can see you? You say hi, Dad. You miss Daddy? Waverley? Waverley, look at me. Do you miss Daddy? You do? Me too.
You done? Oh, fun! Hot tub in the rain. How exciting! It's like the best way to do it. Hot tub in the rain.
Look at all those bubbles.
Put the stakes on.